How to delete Roblox chat history. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Roblox. Then click on Party located at the bottom. Then you'll find all your chats in here. Simply click on the chat you want to delete. Then click on their name at the top. After you have clicked on their name at the top, you'll find three dots beside their name. Click on it. After that, you'll find all these options. Click on View Profile, which is the first option. Then click on three dots at the bottom left. Then again, you will find all these options. Click on Unfriend. Only after you unfriend or block the person, you will be able to delete the chat history. After unfriending them, if you send them friend requests and they accept you, the chat history won't be visible as new chat will be opened. And this is how to delete Roblox chat history. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.